Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how much JavaScript should I know before I start applying to a JavaScript job. Before applying for a JavaScript job guys, it's essential to have a solid understanding of the language fundamentals and commonly used concepts. For beginners, I'm requesting you guys, or otherwise if you want to migrating through from other language to JavaScript also, everyone, each and every person should learn about the basic knowledge guys, and basics is very important. Okay, the basics are very important, so we'll go on seeing one by one and what I'm going to talk about in what you need to learn in actually. So core JavaScript concepts guys, like can understand variables, data types and control structures, if statements, loops, functions, arrays, objects, classes and modules. All of these core concepts guys is very important. Promises, callback, async and await, asynchronous. These are all very important. You should learn about this one. Next one guys, I would like to tell about the DOM manipulation. What I'm trying to tell over here, how to manipulate the document object model. JavaScript means is a DOM guys, document object model, using JavaScript to interact with the web page elements and dynamically. How you are going to change the elements, how you are going to interact with the app page, the elements. Okay, next I would like to tell asynchronous programming. As I mentioned, learn about the callbacks and promises and async await for handling asynchronous operation like fetching the data from servers or dealing with the timeouts guys. It's very important concepts guys. These are all because and without learning these fundamentals, you are not going to pass any interview guys. I'm pretty sure you're not going to pass any interview. So basics are very important. You should learn about that one. Already I made one video in terms of advanced JavaScript. Go through that advanced JavaScript, just you can understand about the JavaScript, and then only you can fundamentally, if you are very strong and learn in top of that, you can learn which framework, either jQuery or React or Vue or Angular, which one do you like it, and learn about this one, or and back end Node.js and Express.js if you like it, and go for it. Okay, next is ES6 plus features guys, is very important because in ES6 they found the let constant and all this stuff guys. Is very important. Familiarize yourself with modern JavaScript features included ES6 and later versions such as arrow functions, template literals, destructuring, spread operators, rest operators, classes and modules. All this stuff is very important guys, and you should learn about these ES6 plus features and modern JavaScript features because they introduced in few more, like in things like black scope, global scope, function scope, and so many things are there. You should learn template literals, as I mentioned, spread operators, why you are using in this one. This is very important interview questions as well. Some people is going to ask you these kind of questions guys. Is very important part of this heart of the JavaScript guys. Okay, so advanced Java, again I'm telling you advanced concepts of JavaScript. Already I explained about that one, what to do, and go through it in neatly one step by step in what I explained, and come and you can, once you're learning, and then you can jump onto a new technology to learn. Next is error handling guys. Understand error handling techniques including try, catch, finally, blocks, and handling and asynchronous errors. All this stuff guys is very important. Error handling and event handling. Event handling means, what you need to learn here in terms of learn how to handle using the events like click event and input event and on change events and respond to them in JavaScript. There are so many events are there, add event listener, and so many things are there. You should learn all the event handling guys. It's very important parts to learn it. Next is debugging guys. Debugging is very important concept guys, because I'm sorry, yeah, because why I'm telling in this, debugging is very important. Be proficient is using the browser developer, like, and if you go for the the browser, any browser, go to F12 or using the shift F12 or something, and then you can get their console part, and there you can able to debug the JavaScript, guys. Then only you can find the bug fixes. Like if you are getting any issues, and you should understand about the JavaScript code and troubleshooting the issues, right? So debugging is very important. And next is the version control systems. Familiarity with the version control systems like Git is often required collaborative development, guys. That's what is very important for the version control systems. Next is testing, guys. Testing is the basic knowledge. Suppose, for example, Jest, Engine, and Mocha, Jasmine, React testing library, or Angular we have in different just they are using, and so many things, right? Mocha and Jasmine, we have so many things in the Angular, and is the beneficial to writing running test cases and code coverage, guys. Code coverage they are looking for at least in 80%, 70 to 80% in the real-time applications. You should learn testing is very important. Unit testing, there are three kinds of testing, guys. One is unit testing, another one is integration testing, another one is this is end-to-end testing, guys. And so we got the Cypress, we got the Playwright, we got the so many things are there to be testing, guys. And very important and crucial role is playing around in the coding programming, guys. Is very important testing. Next is frameworks and library, guys. Frameworks and libraries, and what are those? Like, and depending on the job requirements. Suppose, for example, having experience with familiar JavaScript frameworks like React or Angular or Vue or Node.js or Express.js can be advantageous. So it's very important part is here, as I mentioned, once you learn JavaScript basics and then advanced JavaScript and ES6 features, and then come and jump onto the frameworks and the libraries like in React library and Angular framework and Vue framework, Node.js and Express.js. This one is going to be help you a lot, guys. But in at the moment, the king of the market is the front end is React, guys. React is a library that most of the companies are using, most of the companies, guys. Okay, so just learn in React, and that's my best suggestion to go for it. Next is security and best practices. Understand in common security vulnerabilities, guys, in JavaScript applications. WASP, you know WASP, right? In how to use it, that ASP and XSS and CSRF, and know how to mitigate them. So it's very important. Next is on conclusion, guys. In conclusion, what I'm going trying to tell here, it's also helpful to work on projects, guys. Portfolio is very important. You can create your portfolio, guys. In that portfolio, it will go to help you to contribute in open source repository to showcase your skills, gain practical experience. Additionally, participating coding challenges and participating in boot camps and coding competitions, and can improve your problem solving abilities and algorithmic thinking, and which are valuable skills for JavaScript developers. And apart from this, guys, and I would like to suggest you guys in hacker.com and hackerrank.com, and we have the lead code, we have algorithms, data structures, and big O notion. You should understand all these concepts, guys, and please understand these concepts are very important to accomplish, and otherwise you can get and accomplish this these things, and particularly learn all the JavaScript projects or JavaScript basics or advanced concepts. Once that is the one thing. And on the other hand, if you want to get in real, if you want to get the job, these are all is the basics things are very important. Once you finish the basic things, advanced concepts finishing is the frameworks or libraries. Once you learn that one, if you're interested in the backend, go for the Node.js or Python or other technologies, whatever other things is there, like in the intertwining tech stack, and go for it and learn those things. It will go to help you for your job thing. But once you are pursuing any job, and definitely you are going to get your job, that it will go to help you a lot, guys. That's all, guys. In you can think about these things and whatever I explained in until now, and so helpful for you, and definitely you are going to get the job in certainly. So that's all, guys. So these are all so incredible things, and you should learn all about this one, guys. That's all, guys, in for this video. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, guys, and as well as please leave me the comment, and if I'm doing anything wrong, and I will correct it myself, and I will make it in good content and good things, guys, for your sake. And see you, and bye bye, guys, for now. Bye.